Have you ever had a sudden nail emergency? Or just wanted to spruce up your look without the hassle of a salon appointment? If so, today I've got something special to share with you. A 2-in-1 nail treatment and manicure solution from Hansen. We're talking about the Instant Cuticle Remover paired with the Salon Effects ASAP Apple Press-On Nails Kit. This combo promises to save you time while ensuring your nails look flawless, whether you're pressed for time or just looking for a quick beauty fix. Let's start with the Instant Cuticle Remover. Now, we all know that cuticles can be a bit of a pain, but they're essential for healthy nails. This product claims to eliminate excess cuticles in just 15 seconds. That's right, 15 seconds. The formula features aloe and chamomile, both of which are known for their soothing and moisturizing properties. Aloe, in particular, is a fantastic ingredient for hydration, while chamomile helps calm the skin, which is important when you're working close to the sensitive nail area. It's a gel consistency, which makes it super easy to apply and work with, but I was curious if it actually lives up to its speedy promises. So I gave it a go. I applied the gel on my cuticles, following the instructions, and waited the full 15 seconds. First off, it was quick, which was a definite plus. As for results, the cuticles were softened, and it was so easy to push them back without any irritation. It was like I had just stepped out of a professional manicure, but I did it at home. Definitely a time saver. However, I would say that if you have really stubborn cuticles, you might need a second application. But for most people, this will do the trick. Now, onto the Salon Effects ASAP Apple Press-On Nails Kit. If you're like me, you've probably tried press-on nails at some point. Some can feel cheap or the glue doesn't hold. But this kit promises a secure, non-damaging application with the included caring glue and tabs. Plus, it comes with 30 unique nail art designs, which is fantastic for anyone looking for versatility. There's a design for every occasion, from classic neutrals to fun and bold patterns. Applying the nails was a breeze. The glue felt strong, but not harsh on my nails, which I really appreciated. Once they were on, they stayed put all day. I'm talking about no shifting, no lifting, and no discomfort. These nails are durable enough for everyday use, but still easy to remove when you're done, which is ideal if you want to switch up your look often. There's a nice blend of pros and cons to consider. On the positive side, both the cuticle remover and press-on nails are quick, effective, and user-friendly. The press-on nails, in particular, offer a ton of designs, which means you're getting a lot of value for the variety. The Instant Cuticle Remover does exactly what it says. Cuticles are softened in seconds, making it easy to push them back and give your nails a polished look. On the flip side, for those with more stubborn cuticles, you might find yourself applying the remover twice to get the best results. And as with most press-on nails, the adhesive doesn't last as long as a gel manicure or acrylics, but that's the trade-off when you're looking for something temporary. In terms of value for money, this kit is a great choice for anyone looking for a quick manicure solution without breaking the bank. For the price, you're getting a quality cuticle remover and a wide variety of stylish press-on nails. If you're comparing it to salon visits or gel manicures, this is definitely a cost-effective option. Plus, the Instant Cuticle Remover alone is worth having in your collection for regular maintenance. So the whole set is really practical for both everyday use and special occasions. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a press-on nails kit that's a bit more durable or longer lasting, you might want to check out other brands that offer gel-infused press-ons. But for a quick, easy, and stylish option, Hansen has nailed it. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is typical for press-on nails, sturdy and protective to ensure nothing gets damaged in transit. The glue is strong, and the tabs work well for a secure hold. The Instant Cuticle Remover is in a simple, squeezable tube, making it easy to dispense the right amount of product without waste. Customer support wasn't something I directly interacted with, but Hansen is a reputable brand with a strong customer service presence, and they typically handle inquiries and issues efficiently. So, is this product worth your time and money? If you're someone who needs a fast, at-home manicure solution that doesn't compromise on style or ease of use, I would say absolutely yes. The Instant Cuticle Remover is a game changer for quick cuticle care, And the Salon Effects ASAP Press-On Nails are a fantastic option for a no-fuss, beautiful look in minutes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. Let us know what your go-to press-on nails are or how the Sally Hansen cuticle remover worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.